do it again. Never tell a man they can pick their own birthday present. I've been making fun of Shon's chainsaw with the way that it cuts because Cameron's cheap chainsaw from another country did way better than Shon's chainsaw. So last night on our date night, we went to Home Depot and he bought him, he had a coupon he had to use because it expired today. So he got himself a new chainsaw. So we're gonna go head to Colin Page's house and help him clean up his yard a little bit and test out the new chainsaw.
It's got a lot more power.
What'd you get?
I got an Echo Timberwolf CS 590.
The 590.
So I went from like 40 cc's all the way to just under 60. So 59.8 cc's, I believe it is. So this is the Farm and Ranch edition for Echo, just below the Pro series. So
because you're not quite a pro yet, as evidenced by the videos we have produced.
Exactly. So we're gonna go try this bad boy out, and hopefully she rips.
All right, let's go do it. He wants to know what you're doing, Paul. Yay, Braxton! So, you know, Shon just got his brand new Echo. Cole for Christmas got this Stihl. And now they're having a testosterone fury. So, let's see which one is faster.
One like competition, start on the ground, start it and go? No.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So Shon didn't win, so we have to do it again. The log rolled because I didn't place it correctly. So we're doing it again. Here we go.
All right, 3, 2, 1. 5.5.
I think Dad's got ya.
638.
Hold on.
Hang on.
No cheating. Reset.
Ready?
Closer.
463. What?
463?
463. You were 5.5, Kimasabi.
Okay, Cole's gonna use Shon's saw.
South, boy. $416.
Let me see it. Oh, let me see.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. I bunked him in the head.
Oh.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Poor sweet boy.
Well, by what, 2/10?
The point is, it was a good purchase. Well done, baby. Well done.
Point is, I'm still faster with your saw than you are.
You want to try it?
I can tell you one thing.
Oh, the beginning of backwash heaven right there.
Hey, Cole. Probably show us how to fell that tree right there.
Give me about with that. What?
Wrapping up another weekend not at the ranch.
So we came over to help Cole and Paige a little bit in their backyard. Didn't get it all done, but made a good dent. So, and Shon got to play with his new toy. So that's good.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
You better.
Hey, if you like our content, please smash that like button and subscribe. As always, go have an adventure of your own. Y'all take care. Bye.